If this were my house, I'd be furious. Hey! Klondike! Do you have any idea what happened to the lock on this crate?
It's on Nevins' house.
Nevins? Oh, I don't know if this helps, but the things always do the opposite of what you say.
Why do they always do the opposite? That's so annoying. Reminds you of anyone, Conrad?
Zinga!
Zinga! Zinga!
Boo! 41! Set! Hut! Hut! Hut!
Don't let go! Let's go! Catch him! I mean, don't catch him! Well, this is just great, Conrad. The whole house is destroyed. The party is ruined. And now, Nevins is gone.
Sally, Kojak, that's nothing compared to what's gonna happen if we don't lock this crate. Take a look, it's already leaking.
It won't stay shut.
Not without the lock. Look, if we don't get that lock off of Nevins and put it back on this crate, we're gonna be staring down the business end of the mother of all messes.
We gotta go out and find Nevins.
Impossible! Sally, there's only 4 hours till the party.
The fish is right. We should call Mom and tell her what happened. Look at this house. There's no way to explain this to Mom. We gotta get Nevins back and lock the crate. We're staying and calling Mom. We're going and getting the dog.
There is a third option.
There is?
Yes, it involves murder.
That's your option?
No, but you guys both had options. I just wanted to have one too. Or did I?
Pat, you're not helping.
Come on, let's go get that dog. Now, we just need a heavy, inanimate object to weigh down this crate. There. That ought to buy us some time. Come on, kids, let's go, go, go! Yeah! What do you want now?
Repo. You're repossessing my TV? Well, I'm sure I made a payment. If it's about that bounce check, here, let me give you a credit card.
Expired.
Huh? Oh, come on.
With the lock on his collar, Nevins kept running, unaware of his part in the evil Queen's cunning.
Joan Walden Real Estate, be it ever so humble, there's no...
Oh, hi, Joan. The kids let the dog out again.
You're kidding.
But don't worry, I'll go get him, and then we'll have a conversation vis-a-vis military school.
I don't know. Conrad's like you, Lawrence. He's very sensitive. But I suppose it's something I should consider.
I'll get the dog. I'll be right over.
Okay, there's Nevins. Stay out of sight.
I thought the moment needed something.
Oh, what will become of us? Your mother will lose her job, and we'll have to live on the street. I can't. Please don't make me go. I don't know this world. It's dry. It's like I can't. It's too much.
Would you like to to go back in the toilet?
On second thought, it's such a beautiful day. Why spend it indoors?
Thank you. Okay, get out of my way. This bench is no match for my cat-like grace and reflexes. Okay, here we go. Ow. Okay. Watch me fly, kids. I don't think the little girl's even trying.
What about your cat-like reflexes?
What about showing a little effort, Shrimpo? Now push! All right, Nevins.